I've had one of the worst weeks ever. Excuse my manners. Hello everyone. I hope you're all doing great, and I hope that God is protecting all of you. Yes, I've had the worst week ever, and I'm here to let you guys know that if you're receiving anything in Uganda from Nairobi, Mombasa, or any part of Kenya, and you want to use bus, kindly don't use bus car. Bus car is a very big red flag. Those guys lost my parcel and they are all playing hide and seek with me. Everyone is putting blame on the other. The officers in Kampala are putting blame on the officers in Nairobi and vice versa. They're not helping me, and the only way out right now is for me to go and report to police. Please don't use bus car because it's been a week and something, and these guys are not giving me an appropriate answer. They keep tossing me around here and there, keep going to their offices every day, and they're just messing with me. So if you're out there and you don't want stress, use any other bus. There are nice buses like Mash Power and others. Don't use bus car. I know they're going to come for me, but just don't use them. Don't use them. But regardless, today is a beautiful day. I am going out to do so many things. I have errands. I have to do my nails. I just recently did my nails, and you'll know, but I feel like the color might not work for me, so I'm going to change my nails, and also I'm going to do some waxing. I'm going to do some purchasing, like I want to shop some few things. I don't know if time will allow, and then I have a meeting with a potential client at around 5 p.m. Oh my god, it's a very busy day, but let's do what we got to do. Whatever we'll do today, well and good. The rest we might do tomorrow. Otherwise, the weather is chilly. It's not hot, it's not cold. We just there. And yeah, enjoy today with me. So I am here at Maggie's, ready to do my waxing. She's still working on a client, so I'll wait because I didn't get an appointment. Normally Maggie works on people who have appointments, like you have to place your appointment before you come, but I'm one of those clients who just walks in, so I just have to wait until she's done and then I'll be worked on. Otherwise, I'm so excited for my waxing. I've not waxed in a month now, and I'm extremely excited. So this is the waxing area. I'm actually done with my waxing, just showing you around. That's wax and so many other things that I used. I didn't want to show you everything because these are things you've been already seeing on my videos, but it went well. Yep. So I'm now here at Sigil Nails with Swatex here. I'm gonna do my nails. I'm going to change from this color to something else, something that I think I will appreciate. Anyway, let's see how it goes, and then I'll let you guys know. Gloria, say hi. So I am finally done. These are my nails. What do you guys think about them? These are my new nails. Yep. Of course, sorry, not nails, but polish, nail polish. Yeah, I think I love them. I love them. So I came here to eat. I'm at the maze. I love this penne pasta, and it's what I felt like eating today. Of course, with tea. I'm a tea person, everyone knows that. Let's enjoy this meal I'm eating on our behalf. See my nails, I love them already. They're popping. Hi everyone, today is another beautiful day. It rained heavily earlier this morning. It's currently 4 something p.m. but it rained in the morning, I think for 2.5 hours here in Kampala. You guys, it was bad. It was very bad, but I also had a busy day today. I did so many things and I'm so proud of myself. There are things that I didn't think I would do today, but I did them. Even right now, I am going out there to do a few things and then come back. I have a dinner to catch later in the evening with a friend, so I'll be taking you guys through. I'm here with my pimples, my very bad pimples. I really don't know. You get anyway. I don't know. I don't know what happened to me, because I cannot start the year on a very good note, looking so flawless, with no sign of pimple, with nothing, and then come to the middle of the year and I'm looking like this. I look so miserable. I look so bad. I don't like the fact that I have these pimples. I don't like them. Because I've not changed my diet. I've not done anything different that would bring this. But I also feel maybe, sometime back, I think 3 months back, you guys remember, I did some makeup. I'm not a makeup person. I don't normally want to just go to anyone and do makeup. But there is a place I went and did makeup. I think they weren't washing their, those things. How do they call them? The makeup, those things that they used to put foundation, because I noticed they only had one, and they were making up other people. Maybe there is someone they made up that had a skin problem, and then they made me up without washing it, because I remember when they were working on me, it was as if dirty, but me, I thought it was the color. I think it was dirty. So I think they worked on me, and whatever infection had been on the other person transferred to me. I really feel so bad, but is this sending me? I really feel so bad, but there's nothing to do. There is nothing to do. I have to just suffer this, this is a very big problem. I think you guys can see. This is a problem. This is a very big problem. I'm suffering. Anyway, let's go out there and get the things that we're supposed to get. I'm going with my friend Sandra. She is the other side speaking on phone. She's around. I'll be showing her to you guys later. I'm going with her. She's been with me the whole day, so she's escorting me to do whatever I'm supposed to do, come back, prepare for my dinner, and I'll also be taking you guys for my dinner. Let's enjoy this vlog. So guys, we are at Frein Chiwatule. We're trying to buy a few things. We are in the kitchen section, the kitchenette section. So trolley. Yeah, with Sandra. Sandra, say hi to people.
Hello. iLoveLink.com for more Nigerian music anytime, anywhere.
So those are the things we have bought.
I know the rights. There's no water hole. The police.
So I am finally back home. I have bought the things I wanted to buy, but let me tell you something. I went to the supermarket and bought this. So as they were packing it, I told the guys at the teller to cover it up, front and back. Why? Because I remembered that meme of people saying, Mbuno, or someone was saying, Mbuno, they went to buy a dustbin. No, they went to the supermarket. I think they went to a shop. Yeah, they went to a shop to look for something. Like they had about 2K, about 1K. They went to the shop. Like, I don't remember how the story was. But they were next to a shop at a stall buying a Rolex above 1K, above 2K. And then they saw someone buying a dustbin. Someone was buying a dustbin. So for them, they're looking for they're looking for a Rolex of like 2K, 1K, but I saw someone buying a whole dustbin. So you guys, I thought about that meme, And then I was like, Vananga, you guys, I let people not see me buy a dustbin and say, Vananga, why is this girl buying a dustbin? And yet you could literally just get your dirt, put it in a kavera and throw it out, you know. So Mnanga, I bought a dustbin and I wrapped it very well, as you can see. So let's unbox. Let's uncavera. Oh God. So I purchased this beautiful dustbin. I loved the color. And then I also loved the shape, but it's kind of small. But of course, you know, you first put a kavera inside and then drop in your rubbish. So yeah, meanwhile, the reason that's why I bought this dustbin was because my friend Ahura has been on my case. Every time Ahura calls me, she talks. Sorry, someone called me. So I was telling you that every time Ahura calls me, she talks, then asks me, Amito, did you finally buy a dustbin? You guys, I was so tired. Yesterday, Ahura called me and asked me the same thing. Today, I was like, let me just go and buy a dustbin for this girl. I think every time she comes here, she just wants to, you know, spoil things and put in the dustbin. Ahura, the dustbin is here. It's here, my dear. It's here. So, I also bought these Luminac bowls and plates. I love this color. This is like my third best color. My best color is black, then white, then this. I failed to know that this color, I don't know the name. You guys should comment down below and tell me. May I call it light car green? Others say it's light car blue. I don't know, but this is now becoming my third best color. And then this is my fourth best color. I think you can see it comes in different shades. There is this car shade. This is peach, right? There is this car peach, and then there is this car peach. So those are my four best colors. So if you want to gift me, if you want to buy me anything in the future, maybe when I'm getting married, you want to give me gifts, these are the colors. Those are the colors. I loved these cups, so I decided to buy two. They were very expensive, so I was like, I can't buy a set, mnange. Me and my common, I had to buy these ones. So now I'm not going to put these things together. I think I will arrange them later when I come back, because it is late. It's already 6. I have a dinner with Tina, and she's been on my case. She's been calling me every after an hour. Are you done? Are you done? I'm not done. This dinner is supposed to, of course, it's supposed to be at 6 p.m., but we were supposed to be like ready for it by 4 p.m. But me, I've been very, very busy. But let me go and dress up and yeah, go meet Tina for the dinner. And of course, I'm going to take you guys along. I hope you enjoy. So this is the dress I am going to wear. Oh my god, this mirror needs to be cleaned. How is it looking like this? Needs to be cleaned. This is the dress I am going to wear. So let's get into the wearing. So this is my outfit for the dinner. What do you guys think about it? I am yet to choose which shoes I'm going to wear, but I think I love the outfit. It's a little cute green dress. Okay, let's prepare and leave. So I think I'm going to wear those shoes of mine and then hold this bag of mine. I am finally at Tina's, but guess what?
Hi.
Tina has a gift for me.
This is her gift, guys.
Oh my God.
Do you know what? I just wanted to give Amito something. You guys know how the intro started, but I wanted to give her something.
I even
really
have an
nice.
intro. Oh my God.
But I needed to really gift her something, right? It's something very small. It's something she really wanted.
Don't ever say small.
But
This is
she
not
has it.
small.
I'm so happy that Amito, you're
Thank
going
you
to
so
enjoy
much, my
this.
darling.
It's just a small gift. Very little, very little.
It's not little.
And guys, as I told you, we are going for dinner. Yeah, so we shall see what will happen. So guys, keep watching.
Thank you so much, girl.
You're
Thank you
welcome.
so much. Hey guys, I'm very excited, but I'm going to open this gift when I get home.
When you get home
With all
another
of
day.
you. With all of you. Let's go.
Okay.
So guys, we are at Molecule Lounge and Restaurant. Yep. Guys, this place is extremely cute and beautiful. Meanwhile, this girl here, Muna, has booked a table for us. Bernard. Tina will kill me one day.
Yes, but
She'll kill me.
Up for her.
She'll kill me. Hi. Hey. Looks so good. Huh?